Hi everybody, and welcome back to another video. And this is going to be my first video of 2022. I know I'm a little late, but I just want to say Happy New Year to everyone. And I'm just going to get right into it. This isn't a usual wig install. This is going to be just a little hair tutorial. I decided to call this a kind of goddess bun. So I'm just going to walk you guys through the process that I did with this. So right now you see that I'm just parting my hair into like just a straight or like a curved line, and I'm using my Shine and Jam gel, and I'm going to be using that to slick down my part. Next, I'm going to be using my Even Wonder Lace Bond adhesive spray. I'm using a red can, and basically this is just going to help tame the flyaways or just any bumps or curly hair that I still have laying out. It just helps me. I feel like I have a little OCD with that. So I feel like this is the best spray to spray on your hair. Okay, so now the part is nice and sleek. I do have a little hump in the front, but that's why I'm going to go ahead and take my blow dryer, and I'm just going to make sure that all the gel and the spray that I put on the part just dries into place, so I don't have any more problems with it, you know, curling up or just lifting or just messing up the whole look. So that's what I'm just going to do now. I'm going to put it on low heat, and I'm just going to blow dry it and sort of put the edge of that part in place just to straighten it. So I'm going to take my wax glue and just help give it just a little extra hold, just to help it perfect this look. Okay, now this part was a little tricky to put on camera, so I'm so sorry if it's not straight. But all you need to do now is just part your hair in 2 sections, and then you can go in with any gel. I used the Shine gel from before, and I'm just slicking the back up a little bit because I'm going to insert a donut. So this is just separating it, and then putting both pieces in the ponytail is just basically gonna help with like the height for it. So you just want to separate 2 pieces, and then you want to basically put both of those pieces in the ponytail, and also take your part that you did before, and you're just gonna take that little tail and you're just gonna add it in with that hair. Not the part that I'm doing now, but the other half, if that makes sense. And if you did it correct, you'll just have a heightened ponytail. And then I'm just going to insert my donut. It was in the shape of a heart at the time, but I think once I put the hair in, I don't really think it came out as much of a heart as I wanted it to be. But I still think the overall look came out really cute, but you'll see at the end. But now I'm just pulling the hair through the hole, and then I'm just going to secure it with some bobby pins, and then I'm just going to separate the hair onto it just to cover up any spots on the donut, and then I'm going to secure it with those black elastic bands, those little tiny plastic ones. Okay, and just to help bring the look together, I did take a piece of some hair from some hair that I had lying around, and I'm just going to stick it through the donut hole, and then later I'll secure it with a bobby pin just so it doesn't move as I begin to curl it. And then I'm going to put my black rubber band on just to secure it, and then I'm going to tuck my hair underneath it just to help, slick it down. So I'm going to use, I believe I used the Shine and Jam just to bring the hair underneath, just so it's not visible. But that is the whole process. I'm going to do that on one side, then I did do it on the other side, and then I'm going to curl the hair. And here we have the final results. I'm going to show you guys the back, the sides, and the front. I did go in and I curled the little pieces of hair I kept on the front. I did want the hair to be a little bit more defined, preferably the bun area. So I did use the black rubber bands to make that heart shape out of the donut. So if you want a more defined heart than I did, you can use some black rubber bands. But all in all, I give this hairstyle an 8 out of 10. It was really fun to do, and it's really creative, and I think it's fun for the springtime. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Comment down below, give me some more tips, and I'll see you again in the next video. Bye!